Yeah.
Okay, we are recording. I am here today. This is Theda Blackwood, and I'm here with Jen deBourbon. And we just wanted to dispel myths of you can only use it on one type of hair. So obviously Jen has completely different hair than me, although this is just curling hair. This is not like natural, beautiful locks like Jen has. But Jen, tell everybody how you use the method.
Well, I actually use the method a lot because I have big hair and I need a lot of products. So I'm probably the greatest example of how you can use our products and it's not going to weigh your hair down, and it's just going to give you great, soft, bouncy hair. I wash and condition my hair with my shampoo and conditioner, and then I use Density, which you see right here. I use a lot of Density. I don't use it in the shower and wash it out. I actually use it as a leave-in conditioner. I kind of squirt it into my hand and I kind of pull it through my hair on one side, and then I pull it through on the other side, and then another squirt in the back. You see, I have really long hair, so I'm not afraid to use a lot of product. And it's so light that when I dry it, it kind of just disappears. I mean, I don't feel weighted down. So that's the first step. And then I take Sugar Pie, which is become probably my favorite product because I use it even on days when I don't wash my hair. But when I do wash it, I take it and I put it on my damp hair and I squirt it into my palm, and then I kind of rub my palms together and I really concentrate on the ends, and I kind of hold it like this and I pull all the ends and scrunch all the ends. Again, so it's nice and coated in that. And then I take my, not Sugar Pie, Square Root, and I lift up my hair and I kind of spray it at my scalp, kind of even onto my hairline. So I put it on my hair so it kind of volumizes my hair, but then I rub it into my scalp, especially at the hairline because I kind of have a receding hairline, and I'm trying to fix that. So that's going to happen. Anyway, then I just take my diffuser and I kind of scrunch my hair a little bit. And if I want to dry it and I'm going somewhere and I have to do it quickly, I use my diffuser and just kind of hold it. It's kind of like the plot method. I don't even mess with my hair. I leave it wet and just let it sit in the diffuser. And then this is what you come up with. And my hair is so soft and bouncy. I don't use any styling products. It's just the defined curl that you see here. And before Theorem, it was just a big ball of frizz. I mean, there was nothing I could do to make defined curls. And now I'm not having that problem. So.
And tell me about like your non-wash days and how you use the Sugar Pie.
Yeah, my non-wash days, at night, what I do is I put my hair up in a ponytail. I wake up in the morning, I pull out the ponytail. I literally just kind of go like this with my hair. There is no brushing that goes on in this hair. It just doesn't happen. You can't do it. And I take Sugar Pie and I squirt it in my palm and I kind of rub it together and I just go like this and I re-scrunch my hair. And, it almost looks like at the beginning, it looks a little bit oily, and 5 minutes later, my hair just kind of soaks it all up and the curls become defined again. And just, it honestly, it looks like the day that I did it the first time. And so I can just keep doing that over and over again. So I've gone, 3 or 4 days without washing my hair, even 5, although that 5th day is kind of tending towards a ponytail no matter what I do to my hair. But anyway, it's great. I just love that I don't have to worry about my hair, and it looks great and it looks natural, and it's no more crunchy hair. Curly girls will understand the crunchy thing. I don't have to use any of those products. I have the softest, most honestly manageable hair that I've ever had. So
awesome. Thank you so much for telling us so that we can share this with other curly girls.
Yes, I know. Some days we curly girls wish we had straight hair. And so one day I'm gonna, blow dry it straight and show you what that looks like too. But yeah, I like not having to do much, but just, use the products to accentuate what I've got.
Awesome. Thanks, Jen.
Welcome.
Okay, have a good one.
You too. Bye.
Bye.